What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, showing me support. And this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. Freestyle cooking, we get it down here. Let's do it. So today, y'all, you can see what I got on the board. We doing some seafood. Got me some fish on the board, and normally when I'm in the mood for fish, sometimes I don't know what kind of fish I want. I love fish, and I always choose a different kind, whether it be whiting, salmon, snapper, halibut, whatever it be. I love it all. So today, I ain't know what to choose, so I got 3 different kinds of fish that we're going to be working with today. Alright, y'all, so I got me some Chilean sea bass. You got to try it. If you never had it, trust me. It's a little pricey, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. This piece of fish is like melting your mouth good, man. Gets nice and flaky, nice, good piece of fish. I also got me some salmon. I got me some halibut. Sort of similar to the sea bass, but different. Definitely good. And who said you had to have one type of fish for dinner? Freestyle cooking with Streets, man. We do it how we do it. You dig me? So we're doing 3 different types. We're going to season them different so we get 3 different flavors, 3 different pieces of fish that we could just go in on. Alright? And the fish takes no time to cook because we're basically just going to pan sear the fish, plate it up, get it done. I'm just bringing y'all in to share this with y'all. So if you never had this type of fish, whether if you never had salmon, you never had Chilean sea bass, you never had the halibut, you can follow my video, hook this up yourself at the crib, and do your thing. You dig me? This is how I do, man. I always got to show love, share y'all, let y'all know what's going on with me, what I'm doing, and this is what I'm doing. 3 different pieces of fish. Let's get it. So the first thing I'm going to do, y'all, since I told you the fish is not going to take long to cook, I put it to the side for a minute, and I want to go ahead and prepare some of my veggies and stuff in size that'll go with my fish on the plate. Alright, so I got me some purple potatoes here. About to chop these up. Potatoes done. Alright, next, I'm going to go ahead and use half this bell pepper. I don't need the whole one. So let's get that popping. Alright. Real quick, y'all. Freestyle cook. Boom. Peppers is done. Next, gonna chop up this shallot. Let's do it. Boom. Shallot's done. Next, got me some grape tomatoes. Let's get these sliced up. Done. Next, got me some scallions. I'm gonna chop half because I want the dark green part, so I'm just chopping. Take that a little bit. That's it, like that. Alright, next, got about 4 garlic cloves. Let's go in on them. Done. Alright, y'all, we about to get it in, man. I know y'all waiting for me to get to this fish. So to round it on out, what I'm going to add to the plates, I got some shrimp. I got some frizzy lettuce. I say frizzy. I think it's pronounced frizzy lettuce. You know, got the little curls on it. Adds a little bit of texture to the plate. Trust me, you should try this lettuce. It's really good in different kinds of salads. Probably bring out more videos on it. Right? And I also made me a vegetable puree. Now let's get the popping, man. Let's get the pan out. Let's do it. Got the pan out. Go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Oh yeah. Once we got it nice and hot, add my potatoes. Alright, stir this around. And I'm not going to season it just yet till I get everything into the pan, because the potatoes will take longer to cook than everything else. Because we're doing this real quick, y'all, putting it together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put a cover on it just to let it steam a little bit, okay? Get my potatoes going before I add my other ingredients, because they'll cook quick. We don't want to burn our garlic. We don't want to burn our shallots. We want it all to come together nice. Let's do it. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add everything else, okay? Let's get my shallots in there. Let's get my garlic in there. Let's get my tomatoes in there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to add my Mediterranean sea salt. You can get this online. Any kind of sea salt will do. You know what I mean? We're just doing the sea salt flow because of this seafood dinner. Go, get some of that in there. And that's like a specialty sea salt. It's a specialty store I go to. They have all these specialty seasonings, man. Definitely dope. Adds an extra oomph to any recipe you do, besides just the basic salt, kosher salt, so forth, so forth. Add some pepper. Next, I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Next, I'm gonna add me some seafood seasoning I got here. I need some seafood seasoning. You can add some Old Bay if you don't have like a neutral seafood seasoning. And that's it, y'all. Mix this all up. Ooh, somebody tried to get out of there. That's good. I want to get this all incorporated like another 5 minutes on a medium high, okay? No time at all. Because I want the crunch in my vegetables. I want everything to be nice and tight. And that's it. That'll be simple. Alright, now it's time to get the fish seasoned, man. We ready to go. So first, I'm going to start off with some... We're going to season my sea bass first. So I'm going to start off with some smoked sea salt. I'm telling y'all, man, hit y'all specialty stores. This is going to add extra pop. So I got some smoked sea salt. Some pepper. Yeah. Alright, and I'm going to do both sides, but I'm going to do one side of each first while we on camera. So with this, I'm going to go with my halibut. I'm going with some truffle salt. Oh yeah. Told y'all this is going to be different flavors popping off. Also add some pepper to it. Alright, and then we're going to do our salmon. I'm going to do some kosher salt. Pepper. I'm also going to add some smoked garlic powder. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Alright, and I'm going to add the same seasonings on both sides of the fish. So I'm going to flip these over, add the same seasoning to the other sides, and we're going to get this in the pan. Here we go. Pan nice and hot. Got a couple tablespoons of avocado oil in there, ready to go. Now I got 2 of each fish, 2 of the Chilean sea bass, 2 of the halibut, 2 of the salmon. So we're gonna do 2 of each first. Alright, so let's get our sea bass in there. And they roughly, each piece is gonna take, we're gonna do 3 to 4 minutes on each side, get a good sear on these pieces of fish. Each piece, okay? First flip, y'all, looking real beautiful. Right, so you want to do the rest of your fish the same way, and we'll be back on the plate up. Let's do it. There we go, y'all. Plate it on up, man. Let's do it one by one. Here go our salmon right there. That's right, man. Freestyle Cooking with Streets, man. We choosing. Look at that sea bass. Oh. Oh. Nice. Here go our halibut. Got our potatoes and veggies going on. So, you know, just a little quick something to bring to y'all, man. Share with y'all 3 different pieces of fish. Doing it big, man. Freestyle Cooking Streets came in here to share this with y'all, man. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man. Stay up to date with the latest videos, man. Comment, holla at me. Let me know if y'all tried this. Try it. Holla at me, man. And y'all know what I'm about to do, man. I don't even know which one I'm going to go in on first. I'm going to let somebody else pick. But it don't matter, because it's all good. Holla.